YouTube, how is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan back with another review for you guys. Air Jordan 6 Flints. In my opinion, love the colorway on this shoe right here, man. Big fan of the 06 Flint 7s that came out. Love the color purple with the gray, just gives it a nice pop, you know what I'm saying? About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet. So stay tuned for that on feet. But yeah, man, also I got a giveaway going on right now. Check out my last video if you guys don't know about the giveaway. I am giving away a pair of infrared 6s. So yeah, click on my last video and enter that giveaway. I like calling them the Flints because they do have that gray with that purple. But enough talking, let's get straight into this quick review. Starting off, show you guys real quick the box. Comes in your typical Jordan 6 5 box. Size tag reads Air Jordan 6 Retro LTR. The colorway is white, dark Concord, black. Retail was $190. I did get them on my discount, man, so got them for a good price. Inside the box comes your regular plastic paper inside. Honestly, at first, I was like, damn, I like the colorway. You know, I don't have any gray and purple shoes. So I was like, you know what, man, for the price that I'm going to be picking them up for, I might as well just grab them. Word. But start off with the front so you guys can see. Take a look at that material on the front of the toe box. You got like this rugged, rough kind of suede material. It's not the greatest material, I'm not going to lie to you. As you can see, it doesn't even got no stroke to it. So it's not that good, man. It feels okay, don't get me wrong, but they could have did a better job with the material on the front. All on the gray hits, they could have did a better job. But it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? Going up, it comes with your white laces. You got your Concord purple Jumpman right there. Lace lock. Purple with the kind of like infrared Jumpman on it. On the tongue, you got your Air Jordan in black. You got a white midsole following with the black stripe. Air bubble unit, clear. Nice little tag right there with the Air Jordan and the infrared on it, as you can see. Now take a look at the quality of the leather, guys. Look at that quality. Look at that. Look when I just push in. Got that wrinkly old ass leather. Looks pretty good, man. Feels pretty nice. I must say, you got some real nice soft white leather. Over here on the 3, as you guys can see, does got the wrinkly effect to it, and you do got that rugged suede in that gray on the side. Medial side, same as the lateral. Got your white leather with your gray hits and that suede. White midsole with the black. Air bubble unit clear. Y'all already know, you guys can see. Inside, nothing special at all. Inside, they gave you the infrared Jumpman in there. Black inner sole, sock liner in black. Everything blacked out in the inside with the infrared Jumpman. Back of the shoe, you guys can see, you do got the Air in that infrared purple Jumpman stitched in. You got your spoiler back here with the infrared stripe. Bottom of the shoe, you got your purple Jumpman in the bottom. All icy outer sole with your black hits. Just looking very, very nice, yo. These is cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think they look dope. And they look dope on feet, you know? You know, I'm always down to cop limited shoes. Definitely. I pray that I could get all the limited shit. But if I can't, you know what I'm saying, and I see a shoe like this that I like, I could get it on a nice discount. Why not? These are sitting all over, guys. So if you guys want a pair, go to your local malls, man. You could get these with no problem. They're sitting like ducks. So not a hard cop at all. Now, as for sizing on this shoe, if you guys gonna pick up this shoe, I do recommend you go true to size 6s. I go true to size, man. If you got skinny feet, you could even go down a half size. Honestly, that's just my opinion. But always try your shoes on in the store before you buy them. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, don't forget to enter the giveaway. I will be announcing the winner a week before the shoes come out. Stuff like that. Thank you guys for all your support. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends, family, whoever. I don't care, man. Send it to everybody. And, yeah, man, let's get into this on feet of these Air Jordan 6 Flints. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy, D.S. Dan, and I'm gone.